opening Christmas Day.
What special thing do we have for Christmas Day? Let's open it and find out. Do you know what's in here?
No.
No.
You
Can't get it.
It's sticky.
It's so sticky. She can't get
I
in.
got it. Okay, you hold.
Try from that end.
You hold. I'll hold.
Ah.
There we go.
All right, what's in there?
Got it. Scissors, scissors, scissors.
Uniquely creative scissors. We've been using these in our house for a long time, haven't we, Phil?
Yes.
We have been designing and making these for well over 12 months. We prototyped 3 different lots before we come up with the exact design that works so well. So these are ergonomic scissors for both left-handers and right-handers. And I myself have arthritis and I've had it since I was a kid. And scissors, when I do fussy cutting, hurt my hands. So these are so beautiful and ergonomic and easy to hold that you will not get a sore hand when you're fussy cutting. They've got a diamond tip on them, so you've got a super sharp edge, and we hope you love them as much as we do. So these will be available to buy on our website if you didn't get the Advent kit. We just love them. We want to say thank you so much to everyone who did purchase the Advent kit this year. We know times are much tougher this year than they have been, and so we appreciate you supporting our family so that we can have a beautiful Christmas as well. So we welcome you all to say Merry Christmas to your neighbours, your friends, your fellow crafting community people, and spread the joy this Christmas as much as you can. And thank you so much for supporting our business. And we will be back in 2023 with lots of new and beautiful fun products to share with you. And thank you for being on this journey with us for the last 5 years, and we really appreciate it. So Merry Christmas, everybody. Hope your day is full of wonder and you had fun along the way. If you opened your kit every day, if you put it under the tree and you opened it this morning, we really just hope you enjoy every single thing in this kit. I cannot wait to see what you guys have made with all the products, because it's been a secret for so long. We cannot wait to see what you have done. Till next year, thank you so much. Bye. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.
Bye. See ya.